What's going on, guys? Sean over at Jaguar Power Sports, and if you're watching this video, you want to ride a motorcycle. Welcome to our mecca of motorcycles. If you're like me, you have past history with bad credit, less than perfect credit, or you just haven't been able to get finance at another dealership. We at Jaguar Power Sports can get you financed. By clicking below, 30 seconds of your time, we can get you on our motorcycle of your dreams. We have Harleys, sports bikes, cruisers for all ages and all budgets. No matter if you're a first-time rider or you're a seasoned vet, come and see us in Jacksonville, Florida, and we can get you on a motorcycle. I have been working with people for 10 years that haven't been able to get approved at any other dealership. Every bank has told them no, and they just have given up on their dream and passion. We give you the opportunity to get financed by clicking below. 30 seconds of your time, you will get pre-approved on a motorcycle as maximum of $15,000. Super easy to get financed with us. We use proprietary information, and it's not only based on credit. We have been able to get 10 to 15 people approved this month alone with a 480 to 550 credit score, and they are riding their dream bike. If you come to our location at 4680 Blanding Boulevard, you're going to be hit by a bunch of motorcycles. We have 75 in stock. So give us a call if you have any questions at 904-693-1663. On top of that, we are giving away a cruise with every single motorcycle purchase this month. If you're looking for a motorcycle and you want to go on vacation, not only do you get your bike for your dreams, but you will go on a vacation on us, 5-day cruise anywhere you want in the country. You have 2 years to use it, and we guarantee you're going to have a blast. Visit our website, www.jaguarpowersports.com, for more information, or by clicking below, you can get pre-approved for a motorcycle. Now, what I want you to do, not only do I want you to click below to get a pre-approved, I want you to come back to this message, and I want you to tell everyone else that you've been approved. Not only are we going to get a notification, but you are going to prove that this actually works. For all the skeptics out there, try it out. Click below, and let's get you riding. This is Sean signing over at Jaguar Power Sports. We hope to earn your business. We guarantee that we can get you on a bike with as little as $0 down. That's right. We have over 15 motorcycles in the dealership with as little as $0 down. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, click below, or give us a call at 904-693-1663. My name is Sean, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me. Hey guys, bye.